Vivo is gearing up to launch the Vivo X100 and X100 Pro in China this November. While official teasers are still awaited, a Vivo executive has offered an early glimpse into Vivo X100 series. According to Vivo's China product manager Han, a new Zeiss APO lens is set to make its debut. It goes without saying he was talking about the Vivo X100 series. Based on what Han said, it appears that the entire Vivo X100 series will be equipped with the new Vario-APO-Sonnar lens, which is designed for Periscope telephoto photography. It will be accompanied by the company's third-year advanced imaging algorithm. A Zeiss certified APO lens is a type of lens designed to correct chromatic aberrations. It occurs when different colors of light don't converge on the same focal plane, leading to color blurring around the images. APO lenses are engineered to bring all the colors to a single point of focus, ensuring sharp and accurate color reproduction in photography. This technology is used in lenses for high quality and professional photography where color accuracy and image clarity are maximum importance. The Vivo X100 series will feature a 1.5K BOE OLED display with curved edges, the upcoming Dimensity 9300 chipset with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5T RAM and 120-watt charging, while the X100 Pro Plus will come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and it will be launched in the first quarter of 2024.